working nearby and came to help clear up the mess. "Boss, my buffers!" exclaimed Rusty. "Never mind, Peter Sam, we'll get you out." Peter Sam felt battered. His funnel was cracked and his boiler dented. "Thank you, Rusty," he sighed and limped slowly home. "I'm sorry about your accident," said Sir Handel. "I always stand well back. Trucks don't like me. Why didn't you warn me? I didn't think." "You never do. You can start thinking now while you're doing Peter Sam's work as well as your own. That'll teach you to pretend you are ill." Sir Handel did start thinking about Gordon. When the wreckage was cleared away, Rusty set off along the line.
"Splendid to see you again," whizzed Harold. "I'm completing my evening's lookabout."
"Well done," replied Rusty. "Keep up the good work." And the little diesel purred back.